we are in for some entertainment. I am going to read out something to you. Be with me. I'll explain to you later what it is all about. Oat, oat, out, art, ate, eat, ode, ode, oud, aad, I'd, eed, oon, own, own, an, ein, een, ob, 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 ab, aib, eb, op, ob, op, up, aip, eep, om, om, I'm, eem, og, 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 ug, eig, eeg, oof, 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 af, aif, if, ov, o, o, ah, ev, ev, os, os, as, ice, is, ooze, oz, oz, ads, aids, eads, oot, oat, out, ahat, ait, and eat. What is all this? What is all this nonsense, you might add? Dear friends, this is not nonsense. This is called as the Cecil Berry exercises. Who was Cecil Berry? Cecil Berry died at the age of 92 in the year 2018. For 50 years, she was the voice director of the Royal Shakespeare Company in UK. And what does voice director mean? She would teach each and everyone who would work or who would act in any of the Shakespearean dramas how to pronounce and how to deliver the dialogues. The reason being, only understanding the language or being the native speaker doesn't help. You have to have the rhythm of the language and also consider the weight of the words for the dialogue to be effective. Shakespeare has written almost all his dialogues in something called as iambic pentameter. Technical jargon, but which means basically in Indian terms a chanda or prosody with 5 feet. And to get the right pronunciation, right dialogue, and the right effect, Cecil Berry was the one to go to. She has also tuitioned or tutored many cine personalities, one of the notable being Sean Connery, the real James Bond. And her clientele is huge. Her job was only one: making them pronounce the words properly and making them understand the rhythm. And these are the exercises. I have taken some of those exercises whereby you are made to pronounce slightly different words from each other till your mouth gets used to it and you get the rhythm and the weight of the words. Today, it has got number of applications other than Shakespearean drama. For example, it is used in executive coaching. It is also used in call center training, and it is used for multi-language application to neutralize the accent. And it has got applications all across the world. Why am I stressing it so much? Because a parallel method or parallel methods exist in Sanskrit, where too the pronunciation is of prime importance. But for that there are no Cecil Berry exercises. And what do we have? We have right in the morning, Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhe Saraswati, Karamule tu Govinda, Prabhate Karadarshanam. See the R. When we are starting the education or learning, we say Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Or for respecting the Guru, we say Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Or at the end of the learning session, we have Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And they have one pentameter, iambic pentameter, that is one prosody. We have more than 108 sets of prosody. So we have that much variety in pronunciation and prosody. And this is the way our pronunciation happens to improve by the day, by the minute. Every time we breathe in or breathe out, every time we speak, our pronunciation goes on improving. And no wonder neither in Ramayana nor in Mahabharata there has been any mention of anybody who stuttered or had a speech impediment, who could not speak properly. In fact, everybody who was there was multiglot, that is speaking multiple languages with ease. And that is the success, and that is the success of discipline of our ancient wisdom, of our disciplined language Sanskrit. It is so playful, it is so enjoyable that in day-to-day work and in day-to-day life, in day-to-day ways, we learn and we improve even without understanding that we are improving. And as we go on, we grow and develop as our tongue develops. Namaskar.